Hi everyone, welcome back to Mikael channel. Joining you guys today is me, Dad from Mikael, ready to bring you new exciting content about hair extension in this video. Today, let's talk about web hair extensions. I'm pretty sure that you all know about them or even own some of them. So I'm gonna share with you different ways that they can be used. Starting now. Before we dive into the details, let's get to know web hair extension from the beginning. A hair web extension is a collection of hair chains stitched onto a super thin fabric sheet and ready to be worked into your hair by a hairdresser. However, the methods by which the hair attached to the sheet differ. Some will be machine stitched, while others will be hand knotted. Both offer advantage. Nonetheless, one may be better for you than the other, depending on your hair type. So what can you do with web hair extensions? The first and the most common way you can put them to use is to install them directly into your hair. There are many ways to install web hair extensions. You can either install them using only silicone bed or using silicone bed and thread to sew the extension into your hair. These are very popular installation methods since they do not involve sticky glue, tape or adhesive, and they are very easy to install and remove. They are also available in various colors and styles for you to choose. The other thing that you could do with web hair extensions is to make wigs. By all means, web hair extensions have always been the top choice in making gorgeous wigs with a closure or frontal and 3 to 4 bundles of web hair. You are set to have a perfect wig in any style or colors you design. The process is gonna be a little time consuming, but the result will be worth it. One more awesome thing that only web hair extensions have. Can you guess what it is? They can be turned into other types of extension. This is the biggest advantage that web hair extensions have. You can just simply purchase a bundle of web hair extensions, bring it home and customize it into the type of extension that you like, whether it's clip-in, tape-in, or even hollow extension. That sounds very cool, right? With a single extension, you can turn it into 3 different types of extensions. So there you have it, guys. Those are all the utility that web hair extension can provide you. We hope that you learned a brand new exciting thing today about hair and more to come in the future. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and leave a comment onto how you feel about it. Also subscribe to Mikael Community and hit the notification bell for new updates. Once again, thank you so much for watching and we will see you in the next video. Bye!